In this video, I will show you how to use CSS in React.js with 3 different methods. Okay, so let's start with the video. So the first method to use CSS in React.js is to use inline CSS. So as you can guess from the name, the inline CSS, in this we define our CSS in a single HTML line. So for example, first of all, let me show you our website. So this is our navbar, as you can see from the file name. So this is our navbar. Okay, as you can see here, home, about and contact, and as you can see there is no styling here. Okay, so let's do some styling first of all. So let's do some styling in the home. Okay, the home link. So for that you need to write style tag. Okay, write style, and you have to use 2 curly braces. Okay, that's because this is JSX. Okay, because React.js use JSX, so that's why 2 curly braces. And now you can write whatever CSS you want, like color, and you have to write the red part under the quotes. Okay, in the quotes. Okay, that's it. And let's see if the color has changed. So as you can see here, the color has been changed to red. Okay, so it is working great. Okay, let's try one more thing. So let's say font size. Okay, and one more quote, and inside this let's say 2 rem. So let's see, and as you can see here, the size is also working. Okay, so this is the first way to use CSS. So let's see the second way. So the second way is to use a variable. So let me take an example. In this about, okay, we will use this about. So you just have to write the style tag once again, and now you don't have to write 2 curly braces, but you have to write a variable name. So let's say about CSS, or let's say about style. Okay, and now after giving it a variable name, you have to define it. So here you have to define it. So let's say const about style, and then you can write any CSS inside this curly braces. It will count as an object. Okay, because the curly braces are used as an object in JavaScript. Okay, so now if I will do color yellow, okay, make sure the spelling is correct. And also so let's see the color. Okay, and as you can see here, the color has been changed. Okay, it is yellow and it is not pretty visible. So let me just change it to green. Now it will be visible. So as you can see here, the color has been changed. So okay, so this is the second method to use CSS in React.js. Okay, so let's see the third method, and the third method is the most useful, and I will recommend you to use this method only. Okay, so the third method is to use external CSS file. So as you can see here, I have a file called navbar.css, inside which I have written some commands already, but I have commented it out. And to use it in your navbar.js, you have to import it. Okay, you have to import it. As you can see here, I have imported it already. You have to give the location of the file navbar.css and write import. So import /navbar.css. okay, that's it. And now if I will just do this, okay, and see here, as you can see here, the style has been applied. And one thing you will notice, that the color of this is still red and this is still green. That's because, and the reason why I have given the color black here to all of the links, but still it is showing red and green here. That's because the React.js give more preference to these styling. Okay, to these styling, these variable styling, than the external file one. Okay, so you just have to remove them, okay, to make link black. Okay, so just remove these, and now you will see that every link is black. And as you can see here, I have done some styling. This is from the external file. Okay, like this also hover, so that's why the color is changing on hover. Okay, so yes guys, these are all the three methods you can use to insert CSS in your React.js. So I hope you like this video and learn something new from this video. Okay, so let me know in the comments what type of videos you want next, and that's it for this video guys. I will see you in next one.